Hey there, curious minds. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Venus flytrap. This special plant is found in the wetlands in North and South Carolina in the United States. What makes it so cool and deadly is that it actually eats insects. Yeah, that's right. This plant is not a vegan. When an insect touches the tiny hairs inside the leaves, these super special leaves that look like little mouths snap and shut to capture the bug. It's not just hungry for flies. The Venus flytrap likes to munch on spiders, ants, and beetles too. Once it catches its prey, it takes about 10 days to slowly digest the insect. This smart plant knows the difference between food, raindrops, and debris, so it won't open its mouth to anything random. Sadly, the Venus flytrap is in danger. Its homes are getting smaller, and some people even try to take them out of the wild. So, it's important for us to protect these incredible plants.